Okay. Okay, great. We are live right now. So I just 1 second, I will check. Yes, so we will start from a small intro of new features. And also I would love to emphasize some hard use cases related to the invitation of users and also types of modules. And then, if we got some some members in our live room, we have live room right now. It's available. I sent the link to this live room. You can connect here and ask your questions and just talk and discuss your cases. If you hesitating to share it, you can like connect and then after the end of this live session, ask something like in private mode. So as soon as we do not have on our live room any members, I will just start with the demo. So I will share my screen. Okay, let me connect. So for the newcomers, for users who just, for customers who just try to explore Unschooler, I just remind important interfaces. This is the course view page where I can see the one module, understanding show rates. Actually, technically, this is the page of the course. And also we have different other interfaces. We have landing page of the course. This is how it looks like. So it has a join button. This is an important differentiation from the not published courses. For not published courses, you will not see this join button, explanation, some includes features, and also join students. So it will be the empty. You will see just on these three buttons. Oh, okay, let's remove from publication. This is how it looks like course that was not published. To invite users, you can just share this link, the direct link to this course. It looks like unschooler.me online courses / something. And for your school, it will be contain your domain, unschooler.pro. This is a custom domain. And then the same online courses and a link. So we got a lot of questions how to share my course. It's as simple as that. Just copy link from the address line and put to the messenger, to your email, add button on your website with this link. So you can use this link as a direct link for sharing. Also, you can add some UTM marks here, add additional things that you can track in your own website. So this is the pretty simple. So how to invite students? First, sharing the direct link, and also we have the possibility to send invites via email. To send your emails on behalf of your brand, it's really important to set up your custom domain. And I will show you how it works once again. In the custom domain section in the school settings, I can see email settings. First, we need to set up custom domain for the school itself, and then we set up email settings. Not maybe obvious thing that you can connect email not for the same custom domain as you connected to your school. For instance, for the Unschooler Pro, if I have Unschooler Pro custom domain, I can still connect emails to another domain. For instance, learning.org. It can be really useful if you have some umbrella brand, for instance, learning.org, and you have specific schools for your brand. For instance, school 1 learning.org, school 2 learning.org. So you can send your emails from your main brand, from your main domain, and set up a custom domain, for instance, for the subdomain like school or company 1 unschooler.pro. And when we connect, right now I just started connecting my custom domain for the email. So I can verify my records. It's still processing. And on our site, I just like sneak peek. So on our site, it looks like this. It every time when you click, we our system, not we, it's a system that we connected. It's verifying this domain. And as you can see, the only one a single record should be verified. So when it will be in verified status, you will get the green line, the green signs in this verification column. So do not hesitate to click again to check if it's verified. Usually it takes 5 minutes. It's kind of rare. It takes from 1 hour up to 24 hours. If you still have problems, go to the unschooler.me, click to the help chat and send us the message that your domain is not verified, and we will make it faster. So let's come back to the invitation. When I invite students in my course, if it's free, they will join for free. They will get the email. Let's try it. So I will send the email to the new user. We do not have this user with this test email. And now we can see this email. By the way, we have added the possibility to delete these invites. It was not implemented. This week we finally launched this. And let's go to the email. Okay, we will go here. And here we go. We see as soon as our domain is not verified, we still got the Unschooler Me brand name in the topic of this email. But as you can see, another email, so this is the emails that I tested on other schools, they goes from another brand. So here I can see my school. Let me, from in my browser, I need to show you, I need to sign out. So I will log out, and then I navigate to the course. This is how your student will see, and if it's shared from the brand name, it will be like this. It will be the header of the school and the course. So I can join here. When I click to the join, I see login form and sign up, and can navigate to the sign up. I guess we will change this. We will put sign up form on the first place, because most commonly students firstly sign up the new account. Then they select their email and sign up to the platform and join to this course. And now I should, yes, I have joined, and I can then subscribe again. So it, as soon as it's free, I was not redirected to the paid page. I just go to the course, and I can start learning. I will navigate to the first module, or as a student, I can navigate to any other module. So this is the invitation for courses. Let me show another one thing. For instance, if this course is paid, I will open, this is another school, our test school with custom domain. This is SumUp. And also let's, this is the paid course. Okay, great. So if I go here, log out, and I will log in here on my test email with my test email. So let's check this course. We go here, and if this course is paid, I will navigate to the payment page like this, and add additional information about my card. And also this course is allowed to apply promo code. You can create promo code in Stripe and then turn on the application of promo code, and your student will be able to add this promo code. One thing is really important to maybe emphasize, because people ask about this a lot. is it possible to provide 100% promo code so that provide some access for free for some students, or just test the system? The answer is no, it's not possible right now because we are using Stripe. It seems we're still investigating this issue. However, it seems that we are using pretty old integration with Stripe, and it doesn't allow to apply 100% promo code. But we are working on the new version to and it seems it's possible, but it's like not 100%. We're still communicating with Stripe support. Maybe it's possible. If it will be possible, so it will be way easy to test for in your account to apply promo code 100% and get the access. So this is the thing regarding to invitation. And also I would love to show you how to provide the invite for school and what is the difference. We also can provide the invitation for school for students. Right now I'm students, by the way. I as a student do not see the panel with the students. This panel is available only for school creator. Let me log out and again come back with my, just 1 second, with my admin account. Okay, I will come back my screen. So this is the school, and I can invite creators and students. And this is what we discussed lastly in our Facebook group. I shared our plans regarding to the permissions. Right now, I will show you. Right now, we have only 3 roles for our schools. This is the owner. Owner, it's me. I created this school. As soon as I created it, I'm the owner of the school. We have creators who can see own courses, invite students, and manage all educational process. They can see other students in the school, in whole school. They can create courses using the owner limits. For instance, if owners has 100 courses limit in tier 3 or 50 courses in pro each month, these creators will use the owner's limit, not own, because they do not have paid account and obviously they cannot do not have any limits. So please be careful to notify creators about the spending limits. We have the request to somehow provide maybe limits for creators, maybe 10 courses for each creator, but we're still thinking we need to do a lot before this. Also, they can use AI credits. However, they cannot, and this is really painful for some cases, they cannot edit other courses, courses of other people. They cannot edit your courses or courses of other creators. Moreover, they will not see the courses in draft. They will not see if they were not published. It will these courses will not be displayed on the school page. That is why creators will not have the access to these courses. They cannot edit school, cannot edit custom domain and other things. They just do not see this button, school settings. This button will not be available for them. And so we for this purpose we decided to add admin account, and these people will be able to see all courses, not only own but also others. And this use case is really useful for people who want to resell school for other organizations. We found out that there are a lot of such cases. People, coaches, mentors, or some content agencies want to create, and this is their job. They create some educational programs and then resell these programs for different organizations. So this is That is why we decided to add this admin to help people in such case. And also trainer role. These people will not be able to use course limits or AI credits because they will not be able to create courses. However, they will be invited to the course, manage students, see their results. So it will be like trainers or teachers for school. It less requested feature, but I think still really useful for big organizations. However, right now we have only creators and students. Students, it's a role of where students can see published courses and see all of this information and subscribe or unsubscribe and then learn. Let's invite someone. So I will invite the same. Okay, so when one thing maybe not really obvious, I forget to mention, when we invite student in the course in some school. For instance, I invited this student in the course that published on Unschooler Pro. This student will be automatically added into the school itself. So the students is displayed in this list, and if you add more and more students, the student will be added again more and more. So this is automatically really useful. However, I can send invite additionally. For instance, I will, let's say, another one, test account. It will be this one. And I will invite this person as a creator. So I send this invite, and when this user will be able to connect to the school, this user will be displayed in this course creator section. We will see this user in this section. Let's try to actually reproduce this. Okay, this is my email. Okay, I get the invitation. Just one thing, I need to again log out. So I get the access. I go here, log in with my, as soon as we have already this account, it's login form this time. And here we go. As you can see, I do not see school settings. I do not have any other things that we will add in the future. However, I see my students, I see the course creation form. I can actually manage school, can create bundles, can add my course. Not add my courses is not available because maybe I do not have one. So all other things related to the editing of the space, it's also available. By the way, we are not sure. Maybe when we add the admin role, we shouldn't allow creator to change something on the layout on the school. Maybe I just think about this. This is a thing that I just come up with. So if you found out some tricky case with these roles, please send us the message. For me, this was not obvious, but now with admin account, we can get rid of this possibility for creators. Creators can just create courses. Okay, let's come back. So, and by the way, I cannot set up any additional things here. I cannot set up some students as a course creators. How to do this, by the way, I will log in with again with my admin account. Okay, so I can move some students into the creators. Just clicking on this button. So right now, this is the creator, or vice versa. I can downgrade some user from the creator and make it students, or just remove someone from this list to maybe to remove some person who not in organization anymore. Okay, so this is the main thing related to the invitation and some not obvious things that maybe not clear now. We got some requests to improve this invitation process. So we really want to do this. However, it's not clear what we can do more besides this UX. So if you want to, and you understand how it should work easier and better, please share. We're really open to implement it. For instance, we had the request, maybe invitation with some specific link, unique link as a invitation on Discord works, so that people just open this link and log in automatically. It's not clear how to do with the state of school in the invite only type, because we have this. Maybe I will explain a bit. So we have login only and invite only access to the school. The default is public. All people can see published courses on the page. They can see the name of the school and other things. However, we have the two additional modes. Login only means that nobody will see this content until they log in. So when we invite students or creators on our school, this means that they need to log in via invitation. It works the same. Or if you send direct link, they will see invite login form at the beginning. And to see the content, they need to log in. And also invite only works the same. To see the content of the school, see some maybe private courses or other information that you want to hide from the world, you can select the invite only, and people need to firstly get the invitation from you in this form, in this initial form. You send the invitation, and only if we have their email in this list, only then they will see the content. We maybe add additional table like this in the school setting so that it will be easier to understand, because I understand that right now it's more like a thing that people can understand using the Unschooler a bit. However, in the future, we will add more detailed explanation on this. Okay, so this is it about the invitation. I just check if we have questions. And by the way, we have the guest in our live room. So if you're waiting and ready to ask something, do not hesitate to turn on microphone. If you do not ready to turn on camera, feel free to leave it turned off. So let's me just one thing. I need to check if yes, we do not have much viewers. However, I assume a lot of people will see this in recording. Okay, so it seems we do not have questions, or we have? No, I think no. Okay, let's go further. Let's focusing on the type of modules. Let's go to our main site on Schoology, because right now school is not really important. We will talk about the possibility inside the module, how you can share it with other people. So the first option is share it for free. No, I will maybe start with the simplest. The first option is the draft mode. When you just create course, it's not published, it's available in the draft mode. What does it mean? All people with this direct link can see all the content here. I will open this in the incognito mode. This is how it works. I see all the information. And also I can navigate to any other modules and lessons and explore. Moreover, I can do some quizzes. It's not tracking the progress because I'm not logged in. That is why our system cannot write all interaction with the system. We cannot track the progress. However, if you, for instance, want to show for someone to discuss something, or just want to create course for students and not ready to turn on the login feature, you just want to get rid of sign up feature. You want to provide this for free without any interaction. So you can just send this link to the course or to the specific module as well, and your students will be able to even check or not correct options. It also works like pretty interactive. And also it really good for someone who course itself into own platform or own website, or want to implement some really customizable, flexible drip feeding. For instance, one module share today and the second module share in 3 weeks. We have drip feeding, but we have like not flexible. It will be 3 weeks for each module. We cannot change this per module. So also it's also available option. However, if you want to collect leads, collect emails, if you want to track progress of students, you can you want to provide them certificates, we have this option as well. I will add the certificate, save it. Okay, we have the certificate of completion, and if students complete all of these modules and all of these lessons, we will issue the certificate for them. So you need to publish courses. Publishing happens in the main landing page, and also you can do this here, draft. This is a draft. This is the default option, and turn off the draft. So that it will be, I think we will, when we improve this edit mode, we will improve the wording for this. It should be like called published, not draft. Okay, so and students will be able to join for free in this course. And also, by the way, I do not have connected paid account Stripe payments. However, when you connect Stripe payments, you will get the field where you can provide price, and this course will be paid. I maybe show you another, not my course, but the course of our testers, to show how it works for paid course. Okay, this one. And let me check if it will work for me. Let me check. I did. No, no, it's still not working because I do not have connected Stripe payments. So yeah, so it will be the field of the cost of the price of the course. So as you can see, if I have the paid course but I do not have connected Stripe account, I get this message: payment for this course is not available. Please contact the author of this course. It can happen if you, for instance, connect Stripe account, and then something happens with this account. For instance, sometimes Stripe declined, or maybe like request more documents. So this message can be. This is actually my use case. I test Stripe account, and then it expired. I didn't provide a documentation. That is why I get this this message. So let's come back to the types. So we mentioned the draft course. We mentioned the published free course, and if we open this published course, I will show maybe with the paid one. Our students that was not invited to this course, maybe even tutorial. I will show you how it works with tutorial. They will see the placeholder. They will not see any content. However, they can explore the curriculum, what will be like the topics of this course. However, to join, they need to navigate to the landing page and then process payment paid for this course. The same, it works the same for free courses. If I open this course, yes, this is free. I will open this in incognito mode. And again, I'll open the tutorial. Sorry, module. We changed actually the name. It was tutorial. Then we decided maybe lesson it's more clear. But our customers asked us to change this to module because it's really resembles the module. And again, I can join the course for free. So this mode, published mode, really useful if you want to collect leads, collect student progress, you want to add any other features like certificates, drip feeding, and other things. And also for the specific module, we have several states. I will go to the edit mode to show you. For instance, I want to this module make free in the paid course. This is paid course, but I want to help people understand better what will be the topic of the course, and I can display. We have the tab in the edit mode, display, and we can select free preview in paid course, switch this, and all students, I will show you, all students will see not only the logged in users, but also users that was not logged in. They can see the free preview course and explore the content not course, module. They will see the content of the free preview module and then can navigate to this free preview, explore this content, while the closed ones will be closed. They need to join. And another thing that really make really happy one of our customer today is that we implemented the draft mode for the module, not first, but for the module. What does it mean? It means that module in draft mode will be hidden for students. For instance, you start working on something, you figure out the idea, oh, I need to add this module. So you start working with it, but didn't finish. But course is published, and maybe you already sell these courses. It's really easier to do this right now, to go to the hide model. And for our customer, it will be workaround for the next case. I will show you how it looks for students. I can see, because I'm a creator, I can see all of these draft labels, free preview labels, but when I go here as a student, I will not see this draft courses. Course starts from free preview module. Things that helps our customer is that he wanted to share specific module on flexible dates. For instance, we start with first module, but on maybe 1st of July, I want to enable the second module. So this is how it will work with this, but it works only for cohort-based, but not for asynchronous part. But he will enable this course on some date. Maybe it's also really good. I just think about this. This is really a good use case if you do not have much time to implement the best course right now. And you can make like the perfect first module, but do not have the time for all course. So you can put first module, announce it, send to your students. They will be able to explore it, and then in 2 weeks they get the new module, and the third, or on the third day that you decide to, it will be the day when you manually publish this draft module. So this is a pretty interesting use case. We even didn't think about this. Okay, so I mentioned free lesson in paid course. Lesson in the published free course also, yeah, I explained. Invites only access to course, I also explained a bit. This is how it works how it works when I didn't receive any invitation, but I navigate to the main page, for instance, unschooler.pro. What I will see? I will see this invitation page with just login sign up button. And if I log in, I will get the notification that I was not invited, connect with the owner of the school. For the login, I also will see the login form. Okay, let's check what okay, embedded. This is a great case, and a lot of people using our platform for the embedding. I just make sure that we do not have any other questions. Yes, we do not have. Okay, so, and in our chat we also do not, let me check. Yes, we do not have. Okay, great. Let's proceed. Let's talk about the embedding. For the embedding, we have several options. First, we can embed this is the default, some specific module. Right now, we on this page is understanding show rates in the course show rate. So we can embed this specific page on our platform. Default will be dark theme, but I personally prefer light theme. So you can apply light theme. And also I can share the single lesson. This means that only this page will be embedded. Nothing from this module, this page or this will be not displayed. Or single module. This is when I can embed the entire module. Let's start with the single module. So, okay, so I will take this link and just paste in the browsers to show you what. Okay, so it's. I will show maybe because I published this course. I remove publication to show you the content, how content looks like. So this is how it works. I just see the shared module, and I just see the information of our module initial, and also we see the possibility to ask AI. This possibility available only for logged in users, for logout users, not for users who didn't our platform and not login. It's not available. You, by the way, can hide all AI from your content. This option available in the edit mode. Here we have hide AI for students. Okay, let's come back to the embedded option, and I can see all content inside this course. You can see if we generate audio voiceover for the text, we see all of this content, practical tasks, also ability to provide solutions, and it will finished. Yes, it will finished after the first lesson. Let me something goes wrong, I guess. Okay, I see. I think I have found the bug. We will fix it after this call. Okay, so it should stop after the first lesson after the last lesson in the module. Let me show another option for the embedding. This is the single module was single lesson. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, for the single lesson, we do not have continue button, just the content of this lesson. And it will work for each lesson. To, for instance, embed this one, I need to again click to the embed button, single lesson, and embed this one. So it will be only one without next and continue button. So although it may be the good case for email, maybe for the email, some interactions with students to send some module via email, not to embed something or put something, but provide the link only for one module, this direct link. Okay, so I guess this is it. Embedded lesson without course panel. So this is how it works without course panel I have shown. And also, let me check one thing. If it... Yes, we can actually do not turn on the single lesson, single module options and provide the link, default link. And it will have this curriculum, as you can see, without this hidden modules. And I can learn the only course without Unschooler branding. We do not put any Unschooler logos or any copyrights and other things related to Unschooler. So it's really good way to share your course if you just want to share only one course with your audience without any mention of Unschooler. So I guess that's it. So actually, this is it that I wanted to show you today. And if you do not have questions, it's okay. You can ask anytime here in our help chat. Do not hesitate. We are answering in one day, but mostly we answer in 2, maybe 8 hours. We try to answer quickly. And also, you can ask something on our Facebook group. We have this Facebook group. If you have some idea, if you just want to talk not with our team, but want to talk with customers who are using Unschooler, or maybe you need some advice, you can ask something, create your request, and community and our account, our team will be available to answer on your questions. So let's check if you do not have questions again. And if not, thank you so much for attending today. Thank you so much for using Unschooler, for selecting Unschooler, for purchasing. We are really happy that you select our tool, and happy that you help us to build it better and better with your feedback. Okay, so it seems questions, we do not have questions. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Goodbye.